Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut with cabbage. First, select a firm head of cabbage, ideally around 2 to 3 pounds. You'll also need a large mixing bowl, a sharp knife, and a clean, wide-mouthed jar. Begin by removing any bruised outer leaves from the cabbage. Then, cut the cabbage into quarters, remove the core, and slice it very thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now, transfer your sliced cabbage to the large mixing bowl. For every 2 pounds of cabbage, sprinkle in about 2 tablespoons of non-iodized salt. This is crucial for the fermentation process. Begin to massage the cabbage with your hands, squeezing and crushing it. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cabbage softens considerably and releases a good amount of liquid, forming its own brine. Once enough brine has formed, begin packing the cabbage tightly into your clean jar. Press down firmly with your fist or a tamper to remove air pockets and ensure the cabbage is fully submerged under its own liquid. If needed, add a fermentation weight to keep everything below the brine. Cover the jar loosely or use an airlock. Allow it to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 4 weeks. After 3 to 4 weeks, your sauerkraut should be ready. You'll know it's done when it has a pleasantly sour taste and a slightly translucent appearance. Once it reaches your desired flavor, transfer the jar to the refrigerator. This will significantly slow down the fermentation process. Stored in an airtight container in the fridge, your homemade sauerkraut can last for several months, ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.